Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, July 10th, 2025. Before I jump into all the charts, I just want to mention that Tuesday of this week, wickedstocks.com put out a stock pick on Doxicity. That is a medical community online networking service, large cap stock. And also today, we will be putting out a stock pick on Snowflake. Snowflake, if you're not aware, is an American cloud-based data storage company headquartered in Bozeman, Montana. You might be quite familiar with them. And so both are on the precipice of a meaningful signal, and we provide all the specifics in that stock pick. We're looking for really significant gains in both if those signals are elicited over the mid to longer term time frame. And we also provide the near term targets for you 3 to 5 week swing traders. And so check it out. Go to wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial. You'll be able to see both stock picks. You'll have enough time to see next week's stock picks and also our daily triple Q, our daily SPY analysis. I wouldn't trade Tesla and NVIDIA without at least having a sense of what the indexes are up to as well. And, Apple stock analysis on a weekly basis. You can see it all by going to wickedstocks.com. So here we are. Tesla, long-term chart, 5.5-year span on a weekly bar chart. Just this underscores the low to mid 350s as our ceiling of resistance that we really do need to get up and over for Tesla to elicit its next long-term buy signal. Then anticipating possibly by the end of the year, the 517.66 5-year channel top, although it could certainly take longer than that. We've been here before. Back in November, we closed above that 355.32 2-year channel structure, and that was a post-election, a pre-inauguration rally up almost to the channel top before cascading south below the channel structure again. And since then, that channel structure is held nicely with some intra-week slippage and violations, but on a week-by-week basis, we've never closed above this area, and we also have 351.39 as a 50% upside retracement. That is our ceiling of resistance, and following the most recent testing of it, we have actually now, this is Monday, gapped below a rising 2/3 speed line. And this speed line projected off the April low, taking into account the May high. It held back in early June. It held again about a week and a half ago. And here we are, we're below it. And so this spells weakness on a near-term basis. And by near-term, I mean 2 to 3 week is what I would call near-term. Everybody has their own short, near, mid, and long-term definitions. My definition of near-term is 2 to 3 weeks. Short term for me is 3 to 5 days. So over the next 2 to 3 weeks, holding below 305.38, a short sale opportunity, if tested, does maintain 258.59 as a 2 to 3 week downside target. Now, we're presently hesitating and just sort of trading sideways, but I do think that can end soon. Holding below 305.38, that 272.87 5/8 downside Fibonacci, I wouldn't be surprised if we test that by the end of next week. And over the next 2 to 3 weeks, once again, 258.59. 258.59, a respectable 2-month channel bottom that can contain selling on a weekly, possibly into August basis. And from here, we can round up again. I don't see a big picture long-term sell signal on weakness unless we close below that 258.59 structure. And on the weekly chart, it comes in at 260.50. And if we were to close below that structure, 258.59 on the daily chart, I then see a 2 to 3 month sell signal or sooner into the 160s. 161.31 to 167.42 is a 5-year channel bottom that may well contain selling through all of 26. And from here, we can round up again substantially in the year to follow. But I don't expect the 160s right now unless we close below 260.50. There is, of course, the possibility that we fall into the 160s, holding below the low to mid 350s, but I don't want to indicate as much. I don't think you can really make that case, but what I do see is we are heavy into later July, below 305.38, 272.87 likely within a week or two, 258.59 within 2 to 3 weeks, where if you're short, profits can be taken. Now, you can also see the upside here.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
If we happen to close today above 305.38 or push through 305.38 on an intraday basis, we could see 312.53 on an intraday basis. This is becoming a range now that below 305.38, expecting 258.59. And if we close above 312.53, we have a clear buy signal on strength back into the low to mid 350s. So we're heavy below 305.38, expecting 258 over the next 2 to 3 weeks, and then we turn bullish above 312.53. So if you are short now, and that is the play for a 2 to 3 week time frame, you want to reverse and go long over the 2 to 3 week time frame if we close above 312.53. Now, even closing back above 305.38 does have its, bullish implications that over the next 2 to 3 weeks we could see the low to mid 350s, but it really is a settlement above 312.53 that really shifts momentum back clearly in the bullish column as we're looking over the next 2 to 3 weeks, the low to mid 350s likely, where we could top out again on a weekly or monthly basis and fall away again. We do need to close above that low to mid 350s to have Tesla sort of perk up and show a sustained rally through the rest of the year. I would expect 517.66, if not by the end of this year, then by the end of the first quarter of 26. And that, I think, pretty much covers it. Please click like, share, subscribe, check out wickedstocks.com. Take a look at those stock picks I mentioned at the opening of this video and our daily Triple Q and SPY analysis. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Friday's Tesla. You have a great day.